A group of stunning women stood before him, but something was off. Their teeth were razor sharp, unnatural. There were 5 of them, yet when the doctor glanced at the mirror, nothing, no reflections. He wasn't scared, he was thrilled. He pulled out what he thought was a hypnosis card, but it was just a library card. The women gave him a chilling smile, completely unfazed. That's when he realized, these weren't normal women, they were vampires. As their fangs drew closer, the doctor bolted. Determined to uncover the truth, he tracked down the father of a missing girl. She had once enrolled at a prestigious local academy, and came back, different. The doctor was convinced the academy was involved, so he sent Amy to go undercover. That night, Amy snuck into the basement, but the butler caught her. She woke up surrounded. Dozens of vampires encircled her. They licked their lips, baring their fangs. Amy was tied to a chair, helpless. The vampire queen stepped forward, her mouth drenched in blood. A single bite, and her fangs pierced Amy's neck. In that moment, Amy's mind shattered.